first graders, we're going to practice some words today that are in the story you're going to read. The story you're going to read today is called Zing in a Tank. Now, I noticed the word zing has the ing brothers. So we're going to practice words that have ng endings, but it's not always ing. Sometimes there's a different vowel besides I. For example, we could have ing. We know ing. We're really good at ing. But we could also have a U for the vowel, so that chunk is ung. Or we could have an A for the vowel, and that chunk is ang. So the A says its name with the ng. But in ing, I doesn't say its name. So sometimes you just have to read those words and think, does this sound right? And if it doesn't sound right, try it the other way. I think you've been practicing these chunks with Mrs. Butler in her videos also. So let's practice words with that ng ending. So you're going to read these with me as I point to them, and I'm going to keep my motor running and kind of hook those sounds together. The first one has a capital Z because it's a name in your story. It's kind of a funny name. Z-ing, zing, st-ung, stung, st-ing, sting, b-ang, see that A said its name, bang, w-ing, wing, br-ing, bring. Okay, let's try those again with automatic brain. Here we go. Zing, stung, sting, bang, wing, bring. Okay, the other word ending we're going to work on today is NK, ink. And again, we'll have some different vowels that come in front of that NK. So A in front of NK is ink. Again, that A says its name. Then we have ink. So that I kind of makes a funny sound with that NK, right? Ink. And then the last one with an O in front of the NK is onk. Okay, let's try some words that have the NK ending. Read along with me. Here we go. Get those motors running. T-ink, tank. Remember, TH together makes the sound th. The-ink, think. DR together says der. Der-ink, drink. W-ink, wink. H-onk, honk. S-ink, sink. Okay, now let's practice those words again with automatic brain. Tank, think, drink, wink, honk. Okay, you guys are ready for your book now. Remember to read this 3 times with somebody in your family. And then the other thing I want you to do today is write in your journals. So we have a vocabulary word, and our vocabulary word is precious. So what precious means is something that is very special to you, or something you think is adorable, something you love a lot. If you have a puppy or a kitten, a lot of you shared pets with me, you might think your pet is precious. That means you love them and you think they're so cute. My children are precious to me. It means I love them a lot. My photos are something that's precious to me because they're about special memories. I get to think about special memories and times in my life when I look at those photos. So those are some things that might be precious to you too. So in your writing, you're going to use this word precious and use it in a complete sentence. So you might start your sentence with tell me what is precious to me because, and then tell me what is precious about it. You might say, my puppy is precious to me because he is so cute and he does fun tricks. Remember when you write to think of the cup. You want to start your sentence with a capital letter and don't mix any capitals in. You want to make sure the U is for understanding. You want to make sure your sentence makes sense. You got to make sure you have all those words in there that glue the sentence together so when the reader reads it, it makes perfect sense. P is for punctuation. So unless you're asking a question or you're really excited about what you're writing, it'll probably end with a period. And we often forget that period, so make sure you've got a period at the end of your sentence. And S is for spelling. Just do your best to spell. Stretch out the sounds to spell. If it's sight words, think about the correct spelling for those words. And also spaces. Make sure you've got those finger spaces in between your words. I can't wait to see your writing. Your parents, I'm going to have them keep your journals unless we're able to come back to school, but I'll have them keep your journals, and they can just take a picture and email it to me or text it to me so I can see your wonderful writing. All right, thanks, first graders. Bye.